I'm Alfonso of School Manila. Ako yung nag-iisang ADE sa school namin. So we're a small school, and today our session will talk about clips. So for those who don't know what clips is the recording and editing app of Apple. So if before familiar kayo sa iMovie, sa mga iPads ninyo, ang Apple made an application that allows for quick and easy editing of movies, pictures, and etc. So ngayon, I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with clips. So before that, when we think about clips, or when I use clips inside my classroom, I always think about what can my students do inside the classroom, and how will they be able to show their learning and also their understanding inside it. So with the iPad and with the technology that they're using inside the classroom, they can use clips to showcase their learning by taking short clips of, let's say, a science project. So they're explaining a process. If it's math, they're sharing resources that would show this is how you solve a math problem. Siguro for English language teachers, you can use it for your performance tasks if they need to make like a production, a mini production inside the classroom. You can use that too. And so when we think about clips, these are some of the things that we always want to think about. First, we need to plan it out. This is not just for me, but also for the students. We need to plan it out. Then we need to record your personal intro or an introduction. If you don't like it, clips allows you to retake or reshoot whatever you're doing. So with the iPads that you use later, you can already do that on the fly or on the go. And the beauty about clips is that because it's a simple editing and recording software, you can already add filters, labels, stickers, and etc. So I'll show you some samples of what I made. So this was when I went to Australia a few years ago.
Lunchtime. Thanks, guys.
Okay. So with clips, you can create these kinds of videos, short, simple, and sweet for your students. While after leaving the institute, I also created some learning resources. Different videos or different clips, still using the Apple clips here. Okay, so with Apple clips, you can create those short videos. Now, moving forward, we're going to look at the interface of clips, because later on, I will let you be the ones to use the iPads, so that you can take short clips of anything that you see here or anything that you find interesting. Okay, So when you launch the app, you will see this interface. It will have this. So the red bar is the really important one. It's where you record your video, or if you just quickly press it, it will take a snapshot or a picture. And then you'll also see this star here. It is this star here. I'll post this also, or when you work, it will be here. The star here is where you can go for your labels and your filters also. And then here, you have your text-to-speech. Guys, grab a chair.
Right there from me.
Or here, grab a block. Okay? And then you'll have also your built-in music. The app itself comes with built-in music already that you can download. And with our internet here, it's easy to download. Okay? So I'll leave this here, this image. Then I want you guys to grab an iPad. So you can group yourselves na lang according to friends, according to majors if you want. And don't be shy to try out the app. So here you can try it out.